Oh my God! No! Oh no!
Halaka.
Oh, what do you think I'm making? What do you not like about eating at home?
Dear, I'm hungry. Can we go to Taco Bell? I want to eat tacos.
Taco Bell? What do you think I'm making?
That's gonna take an
No
hour.
time at all.
What do you mean no time at
We'll
all?
be ready by the time we get back. Always going out, we're always spending
But
money.
I'm hungry now.
Well, there's gotta be something. Have a glass of water. We're always eating outside. I just want to make it here. What do you not like about eating at home? The food at the restaurant, the fast food restaurant's better than mine? You're in big trouble. Yeah, I'd rather eat at home. You gotta beat the traffic. You can give everybody a tip. One meal, I could shop for a whole week at the grocery store. You're burning up the car, using the gas, wearing down the tires and brakes. Have to get dressed. Have to smell good for everybody. So, grind my own chicken, chop my own vegetables, no surprise ingredients. Much healthier. Oregano, accent. Next time I go to Taco Bell, I'll ask them to toast the shells. A very nice knife from the dumpster. Better than the ones we have.
Alright.
You can learn a lot from the dumpster.
What can you say about other people who's mocking at us, or they're laughing at us because we're doing dumpster diving?
Well, we're laughing all the way to the bank. They don't give you anything, any extras. You get lettuce, tomato, and a cheese. Please. You know what, Johannes? Order for me too. This is too much. Too much work. Oh my God, how many hours have I been prepping now? You were right. Starving.
Ayan, so nagkakape na lang muna ako ngayon guys habang hinihintay ko si John na matapos gawa ng taco. Sabi niya, dito na lang daw ako sa bahay kakain. Alam niyo, may point din naman si John kasi mas masarap naman yung taco ni John kesa sa nabibili namin sa labas at saka mas mahal pa, di ba? At saka pagkakain tayo sa labas, magbibigay pa tayo ng tip, ang tawag dito, burn pa tayo ng gas sa car natin. Tapos, syempre, hindi natin sure kung paano ginawa yung taco sa labas. Si Jan kasi is mas gusto niya na siya mismo ang homemade. Ayan. Napansin nyo naman siguro guys na mostly mga kinakain namin dito is homemade talaga. As much as possible, ayaw na dyan na kumakain sa fast food kasi hindi natin alam daw kung ano yung mga oil na ginamit. Marami siyang ganyan. Siguro as a chef, ganyan yung mga thinking nila. Mas gusto nila na sila ang gumawa. Kaya nga every time na kumakain kami sa labas guys, no, maraming nasasabi yan si Jan. Alam nyo na kumakain lang kami sa labas once in a while kasi siguro pagka sobrang pagod si Jan. Pero pag walang ginagawa si Jan, kasi off yan si Jan since yesterday eh. So wala naman siyang masyadong ginagawa. So mas prefer niya na dito sa bahay na lang kumain. Okay lang naman sa akin guys kasi makasave tayo ng pera. Ngayon pa naman na iniisip kasi ni Jan ngayon na mawawalan na siya ng trabaho. Like, last day na niya actually. Tomorrow, dear, is your last day, right? At work. Hindi. Hindi pa pala. Babalik pa pala siya and then mag-cleaning the ref. Cleaning the ref. Kasi yung mga amo niya, wala kasi siyang work, guys. Every year, ang work ni Jan ay 8 months lang and then 4 months off. Pero sa 8 months na yun, bayad siya. And then, sa 4 months, hindi siya bayad. So, kaya ang iniisip ni Jan, ayan, mawawala na ako ng payroll. Next cut-off, wala na siyang kaya magtipid-tipid daw kami. Which, okay lang naman sa akin, guys. Wala naman sa akin yan. Ang sa akin lang kasi minsan kapag gutom na ako, pero may point din naman siya, marami naman pagkain sa ref. Inaako ko naman. Ako kasi ang tao, guys, no, na hindi ako atribida na, ayan, ganito, ganyan, may pera naman ako, di ba? May pera naman akong kaugalingon. Pero, syempre, nakikinig din ako sa kay Jan. Hindi naman porket may pera ka is masusunod na ang gusto mo. Di ba? Ako kasi, guys, is kahit may pera ako, no, si Jan pa rin ang aking financial advisor. And now you have a lot of here, hugasan. There's a lot of dishes for only 1 taco.
Oh, destroyed the whole kitchen.
You destroyed the whole kitchen for just taco. See, there's a lot of work to do. How much is the taco? $2 each. I just want to eat 1 taco.
Oh. But what about your healthcare cost?
That's out of the context. Now I have to put everything.
Mm-hmm.
Now I have to put away everything.
I know.
I'm just gonna throw it away in the trash. It's easier.
Buy more tomorrow?
Buy more tomorrow.
Want jalapeno?
Okay, we'll just pay for it later.
Yeah.
The problem is we only have 1 bathroom.
Oh, I can go in the yard.
Wait, is it 2 only for me? Only 2. You want soda?
No.
Hala! Ito na. Guys, at saka sa sobrang sarap, nagkabulingit na ako. Hindi ko na namalaya na tumutulo na para sa damit ko. Truly indeed. Mas masarap pa yung taco nila kasi nabibili natin sa tindahan. Kapag natikman nyo ito, guys, naku, grabe. Sobrang sarap.
Okay, cleaning now.
Wait, what are you doing?
Gonna clean up.
No! Oh my God, that's the best part of the taco.
Make you another taco.
Nakiisip.
Make you another taco.
Kung bumili kami sa labas, ang dami na naming nagastos. If we buy outside, it's easy $20. Or maybe more if we eat
It's more
inside.
than 20. That's with 20 without any extras.
Without any extras. Ay, oo nga. Guys, wag niyo akong i-bash, guys, ha. Magpapalit ako ngayon. Naku, I'm gonna pay for the maanghang later. Magkagawa na yun ang sabihan ni Jan sa Casillas. Ano yun niya, guys. Diyan, ala, punong-punong na. Hindi man lang nakuan, guys. Oh, half day pa lang ito, pero punong-punong na yung ala ka. This is only half day. Check natin yung rice natin, be. It looks ready to me.
Doesn't look ready to me.
Kanina pa ako nagsasalita like 3 minutes. Kaya hindi niyo tuloy nakita ang pag-open ko ng itlog na ito, guys. Hindi pala naka-on yung camera ko. Ilang beses na ako nakatry ng ganyan. Nasalita ako ng salita.
We're ignoring you. Yeah, we're ignoring you.
Ayan yung iring. Iyak ng iyak yung iring namin. Pero sabi ko sa kanya, huwag kang lumabas kasi dalugdog ba? Iyak na iyak yung iring namin kasi gusto nga lumabas. Ayaw kong palabasin kasi saan siya magtatago? Natakot sa kanya mga ibon ba? Ayan. Ay, dyan, ha? May cheese pa ang kanyang milk.
A little extra will make it more yummy. It's so cool out. Feel the air.
Right, it start raining na. Uy, asa na yung pusa natin? Ayan, ang dami na namang nahulog. Hindi na tayo maglilinis sana ako kanina, guys. Kaso nga lang, tignan nyo naman ang panahon. Kaya hindi na ako nakapaglinis. Almost everyday ganito kasi sobrang mahangin dito ngayon sa Florida. Ayan, tignan ninyo, oh. Oh. 'Di ba? Madumi. So, mamaya lilinisin ko yan pagka wala ng ulan. Ah, Kiri! Bumalik ka na dito! Tinatagalog ko yung pusa.
No, it's gone for hours now.
Na, saan ka pumunta? Ah, Kiri! Baka nasa ilalim siya, darling. Sige dear, pukpuka mo ang ilalim, darling. Sabi ko naman kasi sa kanya, wag siyang lumabas. Iyak nang iyak, kaya pinalabas ko. Meron naman yan siyang anuhan dito sa loob. Meron siyang taihan dito sa loob. Bakit naman siya lumabas kasi? Ngayon, hindi na natin siya mahagilap. Baka babasa na naman yun. Ayaw pa naman ng mga pusa na nababasa sila, guys, no? Para yung kanding eh. Yung mga pusa, para yan silang kanding. What did you just throw?
The garlic, it's sprouting. It's not good for anything.
No! It's still good. You can still plant this.
Maybe we can plant that.
In few weeks or few days or few months, you will have another garlic or chives.
I'm going to trim the cucumber plant
Why?
because it's not giving us cucumbers.
Really?
I think it needs to be thinned out a little bit.
It's flowering, oh?
It's flowering, but we're not.
Yeah, but we already harvested too. Why would you do that?
But now it's stopped. The cucumbers are falling off.
Are you sure you have to trim that
So my friend
for them to harvest?
my friend AI
For them to.
said I can do this.
Oh, okay. You sure he's reliable?
I won't know till later.
Maybe you'll be sorry. Maybe it's a fake AI.
Could be.
Uh-huh. Okay, you help Daddy John. Help. Okay? Oh, you just want to lay down there. Okay, let's go. Guys, alis na na. Ayan, so punta lang kami sa appointment namin. Magpapagupit. Ang dami ko nababasa na comment na, Johannes, para ng pugad. Mapugara na yung iyong ulo. They say my head is like a nest.
They need to take more off the top this time. They don't take enough off.
Okay, so hindi ko kasi talaga alam, guys. Like I don't really know what is the kind of haircut I want or babagay sa mukha ko. Ever since for how many years I just say just trim it. Yun lang talaga ang sinasabi ko, just trim it, just cut it low, 2 inches, 1.5, 1 inches. Hindi ko talaga alam, wala akong signature. I don't have signature cut sa hair ko. I don't have a signature haircut.
Maybe you can get permanent.
Oh, kalbo. Bald.
No, permanent. It's curly.
Oh. Hindi ko rin alam yun. So, ayun. Whatever. Pinapasuggest ko na lang sa barbero. Ano bang bagay sa akin, kuya? Ikaw na bahala dyan. Ikaw na bahala dyan. Pagkatiwala ko na yan sa iyo. Ayan. So, what time is it? 9:46. And I think it takes 15 minutes to get there. Hopefully, walang nauna doon. Kasi pag may nauna doon, maghihintay na naman kami ng matagal. Appointment kasi ito. Mostly by appointment dito. Papagupit lang kami dyan kapag may lakad kami. Soon, in 2 weeks time, magko-cruise tayo. We're going to Caribbean, Key West, and Bahamas. Bimini, dear? Bimini, Bahamas?
Bimini, yeah.
Okay. So, I think it's our second time in Bimini. Kasi most of the time, Nassau, whatever. We've been to Bahamas many times na. Pero we keep coming back because it's really a paradise there. Minsan kasi kapag wala kaming lakad, hinihintay ko talaga na magpagupit ako sa Pinas na kasi sobrang mura ng gupit doon. In the Philippines, 50 pesos only. You tip another 50 pesos, you have already a free massage. Pero usually nagtitip ako 100, 200. Yun po yung tinitip ko. 300, minsan nga 500. Yeah. Kasi dito talaga
you have to call the bank.
Kasi, oh yes, totoo talaga yan. Dito talaga, guys, 30 from when I arrived here 2021, it started $20, right? Or $25. And then $30, $35 na ngayon. So, grabe. In just a span of 3 years, increase almost double, no?
Yes.
So, kapag nagpapagupit talaga kami ni John, $100 talaga. Dalawa na kami with tip na yun. So, para ka nang nagpa-reband sa Pilipinas. Ayan, nandito na tayo ngayon. Oh, he came first. We have to stop him. New hair. Who are you? I don't even know myself.
You wanted to go China?
Yeah, we can do. Okay, so guys, we just had our haircut and look at that. Who is that? Sino ka
So
dyan?
guapo.
Barber shop here is very different from the Philippines, of course. The price wise, and of course how they do it, because in the Philippines, after the haircut, they do a massage. Remember that?
Yeah,
Tick, tick,
I
tick.
was hoping that he was a little stronger though.
No, because you're only 50 pesos.
Good
Only 50 pesos, what you expect? Stronger massage. Gusto mo pa ata nakahiga. So we're heading to the Asian store kasi we're gonna buy na groceries for the upcoming cruise. We always buy pasalubong for our kababayan because I know that they love, or they miss tradition. Yes, that's the word. They love the Filipino. I mean, they miss.
Yeah, nobody else is doing that for them, I don't think.
No, actually, GMA Public Affairs contacted me, but I was in Canada. I couldn't access my phone, my Philippine phone, because I left it. So they were messaging me if I can feature you on Christmas special. I missed that. I don't know if I shared that to you.
I don't think so.
But they contacted me, and then it's too late because it's already January when I think December 31, and they were about to feature that December 25 Christmas special that I'm giving away pasalubong for the balikbayan, for the kababayan. Ayan, so na-miss ko yung opportunity na yan na ma-feature sa TV. But anyway, there's gonna be more. There's gonna be next time. Guys, when we meet kababayan sa cruise, they were very, very, very friendly, and they even cook us adobo, they even cook us sinigang, they even cook us whatever we want Filipino food, except dried fish, huh?
When there's no rice on the buffet, they'll go find
They
some.
go find some, talagang gagawan kanila ng rice. They're very accommodating. I don't know, it's just Filipino thing siguro. But I'm really excited because when was the last time we've been on a cruise? December, January, February, March, April, May, 6 months. It's been 6 months. But every year talaga, no, we go on a cruise twice a year. Actually, this will be our thing now when Jen retires, because you can actually go on a cruise for like $500. A lot of people are asking how much. As cheap as $500, you can go on a cruise for like 7 days. Pero doon kayo sa room where you cannot see the sea. It's like close. It's like inside room. That's what they call. But for us, kasi we wanna feature, kasi like for example, we go on a Europe cruise, we go on a Mediterranean, whatever. We love to be in the balcony so that you can have a full 360 view. You can have a full view of the mountain, the sea, the iceberg, if you go to Alaska, whatever. So that's what, it's a little bit pricey, but it's worth it. So, dito sa ano ba? Okay, car wash na muna kami ni Jan. Lilinisin talaga ito lahat, guys, from top to bottom to wheels. Tapos makikita mo siya dito. Ayan, super easy. Diba, you don't have to go out to the car, you just stay inside, wait, you can even sleep, and when you wake up, it's already done. Kung wala kang membership dito, if you don't have membership, how much you pay? If you don't have membership, how much you pay?
I think it's $20 and up.
Per car wash?
Yeah, there's different levels.
So $20 per car wash. But if you're a member, $40, right? $39?
Well, that's for all month, yes.
Yes. For
A single car wash starts around $20. But depending
starting price.
there's other things that come with it if you want. Different wax.
So it's really worth it if magpa-member ka talaga kasi $40 lang a month. Unlimited, kahit pabalik-balik ka dito every day. Kahit na 2 times a day ka, diba? Hala? Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! It's go already, but oh no! We're stuck! Oh no!
The buffer missed us almost.
Almost 80%.
I don't know what happened there. Something goofy.
Something wrong. Is there a car behind us?
Long way back.
Long way back. Ayan, so magva-vacuum lang kami.
Let's go dumpster, Johannes.
Let's go.
Watch out for the car. They're looking at you.
Aha.
They got your name.
Tignan natin kung mayroon ba silang tinapon today. Kasi palagi na lang silang tinatapon. Ito po yung mga basurahan sa Amerika. Tignan natin kung mayroon tayong makita. Uy, perfect. It's a prank!
Yeah, I told you this morning. No eating out. It's Monday.
Supposed to go to Asian market, but they're closed on Monday. I don't know of all the day. I would understand if it's Sunday, because
Right.
Sunday is family day, la la la. Most of the establishments, especially in the Philippines, close on Sunday. Not most, but kung magko-close man, Sunday dapat, diba?
It's an
Pero dito,
understandable.
understandable, oo. But anyway, but it's blessing in disguise kasi mag-order na lang pala kami ni John online kasi nakita namin ang mga sitseria is sobrang mura lang siya online. So,
Although Kabuki's open on Monday.
oh, you wanna go?
I'm in the wrong lane now.
Hala, I wanna go now since you open up.
You just ate though.
No, it's okay. In-open up niya kasi sa akin na mayroong restaurant na malapit dito. Palagi naman kinakainan, guys. Kung hindi sana binanggit ni John yan sa akin, hindi ko sana maalala. Eh sabi niya, malapit daw kami dito sa Kabuki. So, sabi ko, oh tara mag-lunch tayo doon.
Very early lunch.
You wanna try a new one? Or... fresh with ginger sauce, and then kay John, chicken fried rice. And ayan na guys, katatapos na namin mag-lunch. So usually kapag nasa Thai restaurant kami nagla-lunch guys, mga $40 to $50 lang nagagastos namin. May drinks na yun, meal na talaga siya, which is worth it, and masarap yung kanilang pagkain.
30 minutes in and out.
Oo, at saka ano lang siya, mabilis yung kanilang service, masarap ang pagkain. That's why we give them $10 tip. For $40 something, $10 ang binibigay namin tip. We always give 20%. Actually kahit saan naman, pero kung mayaman ka talaga, bigyan mo ng mas malaki pa. Pero usually talaga dito sa US, nagbibigay ka talaga ng 20% na gratuity, kumbaga tawagin nila, o halipay sa ato tip, no? Kaya minsan kapag kumakain kami sa mga restaurant sa Pilipinas guys, parang na-adapt na din namin yung pagiging sa US. Nagbibigay na din kami ng tip. Minsan nagtataka yung mga ibang kababayan na, hala bakit ang laki nito, or hala nagbigay sila ng tip kasi we're not used to doing that Pero dapat maging na sa atin yan, maging traditional na ba na magbigay ng tip sa mga kababayan. Pero may mga iba din talaga na parang hindi man deserving na tipat. Number 1, rude. Number 2, the food is not delicious. Number 3, basta there's a lot of factors na hindi pwedeng tipan ng mga food is cold, long wait, ganyan. So ayan, minsan hindi talaga kami nagtitip sa ganyan kasi parang nakakainis din, diba? Pero minsan lang naman, yung parang to the highest level talaga ang kanilang hindi kagandahan. Pero most of the time, iniisip na lang namin na they prepare it, they work hard for it, the effort, the ganyan. So kahit na hindi siya masarap, pero kami, ako personally, even if the food is not delicious, but the customer service is very 10 over 10, I will still give a tip. No?
Yeah, it's not the server's
It's
fault.
not the server's fault. Nagbibigay pa rin kami ng tip na dyan. Hindi namin tinitignan kung hindi naman masarap ito, hindi tayo magbigay ng tip. Kung inasikaso ka ng maayos, nakakain ka ng on time, yun, bigay ka ng tip. Ganyan. We always have bag in our car.
Always, you never know.
And jackpot si Jan, Hala, namasura si Jan. Tignan nyo guys. Ayan, namasura si Jan. Tignan nyo. Ala, mga chicharon, mga potato, avocado,
lots of zucchini and
lots of
bread.
zucchini. Oh, wow, everything. Nandito na talaga sa basurahan guys. Hala, ano na naman to nangyari? Kakapagupit ko lang guys, pero kailangan ko lang siguro to spray.
Yeah.
Okay, may dumating sa akin na sulat ngayon guys at mukhang kinakabahan ako. Hala ka. Billing.
$398.
$54. That's how you pay it.
And you pay the copay.
Oh, okay. Ganun talaga guys. Ganun talaga kasi nakikipagkita tayo sa mga specialist. All we know is we vlog to pay for them. Before, our parents asked us to study. We didn't study hard. Now, we're paying for the doctors. We're supposed to be the doctor.